let me show you how to make an extended double crochet. I have some regular double crochet here. The normal double crochet is made by yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, and that's your regular double crochet. But sometimes a designer wants a little bit of extra height, but not as much as a treble. So here's what we do. Yarn over, pull up a loop as for a regular double crochet, but you stop. Now before we continue, normally you would just do a yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but for the extension component, we do the yarn over, but we only pull through 1. And we still have 3 loops sitting on our hook. And what we've done here is created a little chain base for the stitch, and that will lift it up a little bit higher. Then we finish our double crochet as normal, so yarn over, pull through 2 twice, and now we have a slightly taller stitch. You can see it's pulling up a little bit, ever so slightly. Let's do another one. It's like a regular double crochet but with an added step. So yarn over, pull up a loop. Before you start the double crochet, you drop the first loop, yarn over, pull through 1. You can see it's like a little chain at the bottom. Then yarn over, pull through 2 twice to complete your double crochet. Again, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, stop, then pull through 2. Okay, and so what you see now is a little bit of a climb here. So this first one is being pulled down by the double crochet, but as I move along, you can see the additional little fraction of extra height. I'll do one more, and then I'll show you a comparison with the treble. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2 twice. That's the extended double crochet. Now if I did a treble crochet, and there is a separate video for that, 2 yarn overs for a treble, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 3 times. That's a taller stitch again. You can see it. Look how high it is. You see? So the designer may not need that much height, but the double crochet may not be enough, so they may opt for the middle road with an extended double crochet. So let's pull that treble out and do one more extended double, and then I'll let you go. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. Okay, there we are. You can see the ever so slight angle up from the extended double crochet. And that's all it is. One extra step and you've got a slightly taller stitch. That's it. Have fun.